Hey, welcome to our white elephant. This big pig was sucking down some gas and producing just barely over 200 horsepower. Completely unacceptable. At the Power TV Garage, we got to do some things to try and make this better. So let me show you and give you a little recap on what we've done. In the old days, whenever you wanted to change anything with the timing and it was computer controlled, you had to take it in and have somebody solder in a new chip, reprogram it. It's not the way it is nowadays. Now we have these electronic handheld tuners. This one's from SET, and this is the one that we've chose to use because it's very user-friendly. I mean, all you have to do is read from it and push the buttons and you can program what you want. There needs to be no fear. If you're a little afraid of doing it, it comes with pre-programmed tunes in here. You just select your gas, what you expect, punch the buttons, it'll download for you. You have no problems with it. In addition, if you get trouble lights, the diagnostic codes, this will read the code, allow you to fix it, and then erase the light. You no longer have to take it back to the dealer, pay the exorbitant fees, and have them do the work. And we all know how pricey that can be. The next step up on our plate was a complete oil change. Oil changes are always very needed, wanted, desirable, but in this case we chose a newer product that we wanted to go with and test it out for ourselves. And what we chose was Anios Motor Oil, which is a brand from Japan made by Nippon Oil, which is the #1 seller in Japan, but it is very low viscosity, 0 weight to 20 weight. So you can imagine with that lower viscosity, you have less friction, you have better gas mileage, and it is a little more environmentally friendly because of that. Our next upgrade was the Magnaflow Performance Exhaust System, a really cool system. We installed their catback system, which is 100% total stainless steel. The seams on the muffler and the tubing are all welded, mandrel bent. They're guaranteed for lifetime. They're warranted for the lifetime of the vehicle. So this all goes from a 3-inch tube from the cat back through the muffler, capped off by a 4-inch tip. Good deal, looks good, sounds good, got that throaty roar to it, and when you mash on it, you can hear that tiger unleashing from the engine. Once we got the exhaust all opened up and free-flowing, our next step was to improve the intake. And what we've added is the K&N Cold Air Kit. With this cold air kit, you have a reusable, cleanable filter. The tube is a molded plastic tube, which is a lot straighter than the factory one, which means that you can get airflow in quicker because point A to point B in a straight line is the fastest and easiest route. You'll notice that it's not metal, therefore it's not going to conduct heat, it's going to react differently. It's a lot better system in my opinion. Our final upgrade was the Granatelli Maf Sensor. Bigger diameter, and Granatelli claims that it's better tuned and calibrated than the factory stuff. And I have a tendency to believe him. James has driven this now 2 tankfuls of gas, and here's our net gains. We've improved our gas mileage by 2 miles per gallon, increased our horsepower by 21 horses, and we've increased our foot-pounds of torque by 22. I'd say it was well worth it.